Now we will discuss about the architecture of Power BI. You can see here, if you tell me explain in detail about Power BI, I can say that Power BI is divided into two different areas. The first area is that one we have developer tool and the other one we have the servicing tool or sharing tool. If you talk about the Power BI desktop, it is a developer tool. It is used to create applications which can download it from the online and you can install it and you can start building your reports and charts. A servicing tool is nothing but it is an online cloud version used to share and collaborate your work. In this architecture, easily it's stored that where the data is coming from different source, where the data can be in the Hadoop server, SQL database, local file system or any web service, data is coming from different source. And next you are using the Power BI desktop where to create a dashboard or report. Whereas once you create your report and dashboard, you are pulling this report or you are pushing this report to the Power BI service to share your reports within the team and you want to collaborate the work within the team. Once you have shared to the Power BI service, whereas they can access your report using mobile, tablet or else Windows or else laptop, etc. Now we will discuss about Power BI products. What are the various products that we have in Power BI? The first product in Power BI is Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is completely for free where you can download the software and you can use it in your laptop or in your computer. Now we will talk about Power BI Service. A Power BI Service is an online platform, as I discussed, where you can share your report or else you can collaborate your work within the team, where you can send the timely emails to the client or the stakeholders, where you can refresh your data, where you can create the workspace and you can share your work within the team by giving an admin access or you can give them a viewer access or you can create a row level security. I will discuss each and everything one by one in later on stages. Now once the report is shared, how can I view it? I can view it in mobile where you can install an application, mobile application where by using the Android or iOS, or else you can view it in the Windows phone as well. Now this is the most important component that has been used in Power BI, as I discussed before, where Power BI has four different components. One is Power Query and the other one is Power Pivot, Power View and Power BI Service. What is Power Query? As I told you, Power Query is an ETL tool which will extract, transform and load the data into the majorly used data cleaning platform. For an example, consider you want to replace some values or consider you want to split the information based on some delimiter or you want to treat the missing information, where you can use Power Query. Power Query is not limited only for that particular access or that particular problem statement, it is beyond it. I will detailedly explain you what is Power Query and why it is used for. Next we come up with Power Pivot, where Power Pivot is used for data modeling purpose. When you have multiple data sources, if you want to connect and create a relationship between them, you can use Power Pivot. Power View, when you want to view your data in terms of charts and graphs, where you can use Power View. Power View will help you to create 250 plus charts that can be bar chart, donut chart or else it can be line chart. This different types of chart will be helpful to you to present your reports and as well as dashboard. Now we'll talk about last but not the least, Power BI Service. So Power BI Service will help you to share your report within the different people sitting across the world. It will help you to user communicate each other via reports. They can view it or they can also modify your report. So Power BI is the package of four components. One is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View and Power BI Service.